Most traders enter after seeing a big move, but smart money traders wait for one important thing, the confirmation before the reversal. In this video, I will explain you exactly how I find this short trade step by step using high time frame bias. So let me remove all the things. First, I started by analyzing the 4-hour time frame to understand the market bias. I looked at the point where the market started its reversal and found a weak order block from where the market start reacting. Like this is the weak order block with FEG, and price just tap it. Okay, this gave me the idea that price could take a pullback from this area and continue towards the remaining 4-hour bias. Now I need to mark my another bias. Like these are my bias. Okay. After marking my 4-hour bias, I moved down to lower time frames like 3-hour, 2-hour and 1-hour to check if there any valid order block or strong area where the market pullback was happening. But there is nothing. But I did not find any valid order block on these time frames, so I moved further down to the 15-minute. On the 15-minute chart, I look for a liquidity sweep and identify a liquidity zones where smart money could potentially take liquidity before the next move. Like this is the area. When I refine this area using 5-minute, 3-minute and 1-minute, I noticed that price could come back and sweep the area before continuing the move. Like this is the area. So I waited patiently for confirmation. As soon as market sweep this liquidity zone, and I took short entry because all the confirmation were aligned, the 4-hour bias and everything. So that's why I take short position from here and my TP was hit. So this was the logic behind my today trade, and I daily upload my daily setups on this channel YouTube. So thank you so much for watching this video and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming trading content and daily setups. So thank you so much.